YouTube is the world's second-largest search engine. Millions of people use it to find information, entertainment, and much more. As a content creator, you want your videos to be seen by as many people as possible. That's where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes in. Effective SEO can significantly boost your channel's visibility, attract more viewers, and ultimately lead to greater success. In essence, SEO is about optimizing your content to rank higher in search results. When people search for something related to your videos, you want your content to appear at the top of the list. This guide will walk you through the key elements of YouTube SEO, providing actionable tips and strategies to help you master this crucial aspect of online content creation. From choosing the right keywords to crafting compelling descriptions and designing eye-catching thumbnails, we'll cover every step of the process. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly enhance your channel's visibility and reach a wider audience. You'll learn how to leverage YouTube's algorithm to your advantage, ensuring your videos get the attention they deserve. So if you're ready to unlock the power of SEO and take your YouTube channel to new heights, let's dive in and explore the strategies that will make your content stand out in the crowded digital landscape. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's the process of making your content more visible in search engine results pages, or SERPs. When someone searches for something on YouTube, the algorithm considers several factors to determine which videos to show first. SEO involves understanding these factors and optimizing your content accordingly. By using relevant keywords, crafting compelling descriptions, and creating engaging thumbnails, you can signal to YouTube that your videos are relevant and valuable to viewers. This can lead to higher rankings, more views, and ultimately, a more successful channel. Think of SEO as a way to speak YouTube's language. You're essentially using specific techniques to communicate the value of your content to the platform. The better you understand and implement these techniques, the better your chances of standing out and attracting viewers. SEO is an ongoing process, and it requires consistent effort and attention. However, the rewards are well worth the investment. By mastering the art of YouTube SEO, you can unlock the true potential of your channel and reach a broader audience than ever before. Keyword research is the foundation of any successful SEO strategy. It involves identifying the terms people use when searching for content like yours. By understanding these keywords, you can optimize your videos to match what your target audience is looking for. Start by brainstorming topics related to your channel. Think about the questions your viewers might be asking or the information they're seeking. Then use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to explore relevant keywords and phrases. Look for keywords with high search volume and low competition for optimal results. Once you've identified your target keywords, incorporate them naturally into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Avoid keyword stuffing, which is the practice of overusing keywords in an attempt to manipulate search rankings. Instead, focus on using keywords strategically and organically within your content. Remember, keyword research is not a one-time task. It's important to revisit and refine your keyword strategy regularly as your channel grows and evolves. Keep an eye on trending topics and emerging search terms to stay ahead of the curve and ensure your content remains relevant and visible in search results. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see when browsing YouTube. They act as visual representations of your videos and play a crucial role in attracting clicks and generating interest. A compelling thumbnail can significantly impact your video's click-through rate, or CTR, which is a key factor in YouTube's ranking algorithm. Design your thumbnails to be visually appealing and attention-grabbing. Use bright colors, bold fonts, and high-quality images or graphics that accurately reflect the content of your video. Incorporate your target keywords into the thumbnail text to further enhance its relevance for search engines. Avoid using misleading or clickbait thumbnails that don't accurately represent your video's content. This can lead to viewer dissatisfaction and ultimately harm your channel's reputation. Instead, focus on creating thumbnails that genuinely pique viewers' curiosity and encourage them to click and watch. Experiment with different thumbnail designs and analyze the performance of each to see what resonates best with your audience. Pay attention to the CTR of your videos and adjust your thumbnail strategy accordingly to optimize for maximum engagement. While thumbnails capture attention, video descriptions provide context and detail. They offer a more in-depth look at your video's content and help both viewers and YouTube's algorithm understand what your video is about. Well-crafted descriptions can improve search visibility and encourage viewers to watch. Start your description with a concise and attention-grabbing summary of your video's content. This should be the first thing people see and should entice them to learn more. Include your target keywords naturally within the first few sentences to signal relevance to search engines. Expand on your summary by providing more details about your video's topics, key takeaways, and any relevant calls to action. Encourage viewers to engage with your content by asking questions, inviting comments, or directing them to related resources. Keep your descriptions concise and easy to read. Use formatting elements like bullet points and line breaks to improve readability and highlight important information. A well-structured and informative description can significantly enhance the viewer experience and encourage engagement. Viewer retention is a crucial metric that YouTube considers when ranking videos. It refers to the percentage of a video that viewers watch. Higher retention rates indicate that viewers find your content engaging and valuable, which can lead to higher rankings and more visibility. Create content that is interesting, informative, and well-paced. Avoid long intros or irrelevant tangents that might cause viewers to lose interest. Keep your videos focused and engaging, providing value from beginning to end. Use storytelling techniques to captivate your audience and keep them invested in your narrative. Incorporate visuals, music, and sound effects to enhance the viewing experience and maintain viewer attention. Interact with your viewers through comments and questions. Encourage them to share their thoughts and engage in discussions related to your content. Building a sense of community around your videos can significantly enhance viewer loyalty and encourage them to watch more of your content. While SEO is crucial for attracting organic traffic, promoting your channel through other channels can significantly amplify your reach. Leverage social media platforms, email marketing, and collaborations to spread the word about your content and attract new viewers. Share your videos on relevant social media platforms, tailoring your message to each platform's unique audience. Engage with your followers, answer questions, and encourage them to share your videos with their networks. Build an email list and send out regular newsletters featuring your latest videos and updates. This allows you to connect with your audience directly and keep them informed about your channel's activities. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to cross-promote your channels and reach new audiences. This can be a mutually beneficial strategy that exposes both channels to a wider range of viewers. SEO is not a set-it-and-forget-it process. It requires ongoing analysis and adaptation to ensure your strategies remain effective. YouTube provides creators with valuable data and analytics that can inform your SEO decisions and help you refine your approach over time. Regularly monitor your channel's performance using YouTube analytics. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, CTR, audience retention, and traffic sources. Identify areas where your videos are performing well and areas that need improvement. Use the insights gained from your analytics to adjust your SEO strategies. Experiment with different keywords, thumbnails, and descriptions to see what resonates best with your audience. Stay up to date with YouTube's algorithm and best practices. The platform is constantly evolving, so it's essential to adapt your strategies to ensure your content remains visible and engaging for your target audience. Mastering YouTube SEO is an ongoing journey that requires dedication, experimentation, and a deep understanding of your audience. By implementing the strategies outlined in this guide, you can significantly enhance your channel's visibility, attract more viewers, and ultimately achieve greater success on the platform. Remember to focus on providing valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Optimize your videos for search and promote your channel through various channels to maximize your reach. Adapt your strategies based on data and analytics, and stay informed about YouTube's evolving landscape to ensure your content remains relevant and engaging. With consistent effort and a data-driven approach, you can unlock the true potential of your YouTube channel and achieve your content creation goals.